Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And so today I'm going to introduce how to make an invisible folders like this. So first, right click your mouse and then go to new and create a new folder. Then click Alt and then on the numeric keyboard type 0160, and then it will create a nameless folder. Now again right click your folder and then go to properties, then go to customize, then go to change icon, and then you can find the blank theme in the middle plot. Then after picking that theme, click OK and OK, then it will automatically create the invisible folder. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and if you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. And if you have any doubts or some idea for the next video, please let me know from the comment below. So see you on the next video. Bye.